Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using Phantom. Phantom is a powerful browser extension that supercharges your web browsing experience. It essentially functions as a session manager, allowing you to save and restore entire browsing sessions with just a few clicks. Imagine having the ability to pick up right where you left off on a complex research project, or effortlessly switching between different workspaces without losing your place. That's the magic of Phantom. One of the key benefits of Phantom is its organization features. You can group tabs into distinct workspaces, making it incredibly easy to manage multiple projects or areas of focus. Need to quickly switch between researching marketing strategies and planning your next vacation? No problem. Phantom lets you create separate workspaces for each, keeping everything neatly organized and readily accessible. Another fantastic feature is the ability to save and restore sessions. This is a game changer for anyone who regularly works with a large number of tabs. Instead of cluttering your browser and slowing down your computer, you can save your entire session in Phantom and restore it later with a single click. This not only keeps your browser clean and efficient, but also ensures that you never lose your place. Beyond session management, Phantom also offers robust tab suspension capabilities. By suspending inactive tabs, Phantom frees up system resources, preventing your computer from becoming bogged down by excessive memory usage. This is particularly helpful for users who tend to keep dozens of tabs open simultaneously. Suspended tabs are easily reactivated with a single click, so you can quickly access the information you need without any performance hit. Phantom's user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Even if you're new to session managers, you'll find Phantom incredibly simple to use. The extension seamlessly integrates into your browser, providing a streamlined workflow that enhances productivity without adding complexity. Give Phantom a try, and you'll wonder how you ever managed your browsing sessions without it. It's a must-have tool for anyone looking to maximize their online efficiency.